business challenges is dealing with change and what that means in terms of leadership, in terms of talent, in terms of culture. Those would be our top 3 priorities for particularly this year as we are entering in the new phase of business.
My key interest, I suppose my passion, is around leadership development, is around how we can connect with different generations within an organisation, especially in light of the changing sort of demographics and environment in which we operate. So how do we bring everyone together, inspire, connect, but enable performance is where my interest lies.
I guess our biggest challenge is how do we run a 20th century organisation and do well in that organisation, and at the same time create a 21st century organisation, one that is more agile, that's operating in different channels, reaching consumers differently. So how do we get leaders who can balance these 2 things? They've got to look after the legacy business, but they've got to create the new business at the same time. So that's probably our biggest challenge, and we've got to do it whilst making sustainable living commonplace, which is our purpose.
Business challenges that we're facing at the moment are we are a very entrepreneurial organisation, we are growing rapidly, and it's a very dynamic market that we work in. In terms of the role, we're implementing a new learning management system, a global one. We're trying to integrate it with a HR system as well for 38,000 people.
Our current challenges is how do we transform the learning strategy into a digital mode. So digitalizing learning and making learning available to everybody. So things that we are looking at this point of time is how can we make learning enabled through technology and it reaches every single user that we have in the world.
What I've learned is that there's many different aspects to L&D that make up a whole package. I've absolutely loved having the talk from Body Talks, and meeting the gentleman from GSK in regards to what they do for the apprenticeship levy is inspirational. I'm going to take a lot away from it today, and I've really enjoyed myself so far.
I love the conference. I think it's fabulous energy, it's a great location, very well organized. I can also say there's a lot of variety, so I love the fact that we have small one-on-one sessions, big sessions, the panels. I think it's all really great, fabulous opportunity just to network with like-minded individuals.
Well, it's my first time here, but it's fantastic. Even just the free dinner last night, meeting people from such different backgrounds, psychologists, such different industries, and different parts of the world and different parts of the country. So it's really challenges your senses and challenges your thinking. It's a great networking opportunity as well.
What's interesting for me is then where can I find the thought leaders that are going to help us on that journey? So one of my big interests this year is to really be scouring the globe to find who are the leading thinkers on agility, on purpose, on sustainability and that kind of thing, so we can bring them into our organization, help them stimulate our leaders to behave differently.